Hello everyone, welcome back to the Grumpy Gill. I'm Chris, and today, boys, we got Boosh Grumpy Chew. This is let's see what we got here. This is the Grumpy Chew. It's a stupid hot chew, strawberry chew. We're gonna test her out today. I got a bag of these. We're not gonna do. I've never even had one yet. I tried one with no heat, just to get the gummy right, and the strawberry gummy was good. So, by the way, if you're watching this video, it means it went well. I have no idea. I have no idea the heat level on this thing. So, let's see if I can. Oh my gosh, that's a big chew. That's big. Oh no. The Grumpy Chew. Would you? That's trouble. Super strawberry. Tastes like strawberry candy with a little bit of heat. Strawberry all the way through. Kind of like a strawberry. I don't know. And now the heat's coming. It's a creeper. It hides behind all that sugar. I'd say we're at about a 1.5. They're not hot. I'd say if you're a chili head, this is like a mint. Well, I guess. I mean, it's underwhelming for me because I thought it was gonna be hotter. I know how to make it hotter though. Yeah, there's a fine balance between making something stupid hot and something that's stupid hot and tastes good still. Almost anybody can make something stupid hot. But I know how to make this hotter without losing its flavor. I should have done it the first time. Yeah, it's back to the drawing board for this bad boy because the packaging says stupid hot. It's not. That's right. If you're gonna fail, I mean you are gonna fail. So fail fast. Fail up front so you can reiterate quick. We're gonna pump these up. Making heat. Fuel it. Bring the gas. Grumpy Gill, much love.